Suzuki Vitara Hybrid. New specs, pricing, and regional availability, Suzuki has updated its Vitara small SUV with a new mild hybrid powertrain, replacing the previous turbocharged engine. The 2026 model is now available for order in Australia, starting at $38,990 before on-road costs, or $39,990 drive-away. This change reflects a wider industry trend toward electrification, even if the Vitara's hybrid system isn't a full hybrid capable of pure electric driving. Powertrain and efficiency, the Vitara hybrid combines a turbo-petrol engine with a 48V mild hybrid system. This setup provides electric assistance for acceleration and recovers energy during braking to improve fuel economy. Despite the upgrade, fuel consumption remains similar to the outgoing model, at 5.8L/100 km FWD or 5.9L/100 km AWD. Power output has decreased from 110 kW to 81 kW, but peak torque has increased slightly to 235 Nm. Why this matters? Mild hybrid systems are a cost-effective way for automakers to reduce emissions and meet stricter fuel efficiency standards without the expense of full hybrid or EV technology. However, the limited efficiency gains may not be significant for consumers. Regional discrepancies: the Vitara hybrid will not be offered in Queensland or the Northern Rivers region of New South Wales. Suzuki Auto Co., which handles distribution in those areas, has decided against importing the model, leaving local dealerships with fewer options in the small SUV segment. This raises questions about regional market strategies and consumer access to newer technologies. Aging platform: the current Vitara design dates back to 2015, making it one of the oldest models in its class. Suzuki has been discussing an electrified Vitara for some time, but delays have left consumers waiting. While the update provides a mild hybrid option, the underlying platform remains unchanged. Safety and features: the Vitara hybrid comes with standard safety features like adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, and lane keep assist. However, its ANCAP safety rating has expired, meaning it's no longer officially rated under current standards. Available equipment includes a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, upgradable to 9-inch, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and optional leatherette upholstery. Pricing and options: base model, $38,990, FWD, all-wheel drive. Additional cost with minor equipment upgrades. Exterior colors: standard white paint is included. Other colors are available for an additional fee. Two-tone finishes are exclusive to the all-grip model. Warranty and servicing: Suzuki offers a 5-year, unlimited kilometer warranty on the Vitara hybrid. Servicing is required every 12 months or 10,000 km, with cap price maintenance available. Conclusion: the Suzuki Vitara hybrid represents a modest step toward electrification, but its limited efficiency gains and regional availability restrictions may not appeal to all buyers. The aging platform also raises questions about long-term competitiveness in the evolving small SUV market.